Brad Williams, Excel primed. Find the average time by month. What's the difference between this and the tutorial 137? Time. That's it. Nothing else. We're using the exact same formats. We're using average ifs. We're using time. What's time? It's D5. Here's our time. The D14. Greater than equal to, here's the important area. It has to be the first of the June 1st, 2028. Has to be the first of the month. It doesn't have to be, but if your ranges are a start and an end time over a period of time, then you want your parameters to be monthly. We're just going over and we're saying start 146 less than our end of month. And we're referencing again F5. Same old, different song, same dance, different song. I know you start dealing with time and your brain goes wonky because like, oh my God, there's minutes, and don't worry about it. We're averaging, look at there, and to make this a little easier to read, you can go in here and just go short date if you want, or you can go in and just change the configuration completely. You note we have time here. Just so you can walk through this comfortably, I included a date because we're trying to find time, and all I did was I took C minus B to compute these times. I used this June, July, August thing. And you can change this up any way you want, but this is sloppy looking, but there's a reason for it. It's so you can identify the time. Now it's critical here. You see where it says format for F5, F7? Well, it's as important here to format your time correctly because this is what it looks like. It looks like you see 110, 110. Well, the format is pretty straightforward. It's just a matter of making sure that we're dealing with minutes and not hours or seconds, okay? Read the summary if necessary, review the anatomy, move on to the next. If you're going, thumbs up, Brad, we like it. Or otherwise. Brad Williams, Excel primed, Williams out.